Did you know your iPhone can actually tell you when the battery is fully charged? No, I don't mean a regular notification. I mean a real spoken message. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up an automatic voice alert that plays when your iPhone reaches 100% battery. So let's jump right into it. First, find and open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Automation tab. Next, tap on New Automation to start creating a new one. From the list of options, find and select Battery Level. Now, drag the slider all the way to the end, and right below it, choose equals 100% so the automation triggers exactly when the battery is full. Then make sure to select Run Immediately so the action happens on its own. Right underneath, you'll see the Notify When Run option. By default, it's turned off, but if you want to get a small pop-up notification each time it triggers, feel free to turn it on. Otherwise, leave it off for a completely silent execution. Once you've set that up, tap Next in the top right corner. On the next screen, under the list of suggested actions, tap on Speak Text. It should be right there among the top options. Now, tap on the text field that appears. Here, type in the message you want your iPhone to say. For example, "Charging is complete." After that, tap the little circle with an arrow next to the message. Here you can adjust how the voice sounds, the speaking rate, pitch, language, and the voice itself. Customize it however you like, and once you're done, just tap Done in the top right corner. Now your iPhone will automatically speak the message every time your battery reaches 100%. It'll sound something like this on my end.
Charging is complete.
Feel free to personalize the message. Make it serious, funny, or even an inside joke. It's totally up to you. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.